You know, you need AI transformation. But where do you actually start? Most companies either freeze from analysis paralysis or rush into a tool purchase. Both are wrong. I'll give you the exact 5 steps to get it right. Step 1. Audit your processes. Walk through your teams and ask one question: where do you lose time on repetitive manual work? Document every answer. That is your opportunity map. Step 2. Prioritize 1 to 2 use cases with clear ROI. Don't try to transform everything at once. Pick the use case where you can measure impact in weeks, not years. Think customer support automation, report generation, or lead qualification. Step 3. Start small, measure, then scale. Run a pilot with a small team. Track time saved, cost reduced, accuracy improved. Use that data to build your case for scaling. Step 4. Get your data governance in order before anything else. This means knowing what data you have, where it lives, who owns it, and how clean it is. Without this, your AI will make confident but wrong decisions. Step 5. Invest in cultural change. This is 50% of the work and the part most companies skip. Your people need to understand why AI is being introduced, how it helps them, and that it is not about replacing them. Training, communication, and leadership buy-in are non-negotiable. Those are the 5 steps. If you want to go deeper, download the free AI Readiness Checklist. The link is in the description. It walks you through each step with actionable questions. See you in the next one.